Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Tavio Castor oil subscription. So if you have placed any order on Tavio and by mistake they have activated subscription on your account, because when you purchase product on their website they have option like save and auto refill system, and when you choose this option you will get high discount, and but they will activate subscription on account and you have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription. Okay, so how you can cancel it? Basically, when you place your order you will get a link. When you place your order you will get a link in your confirmation order email, and by using the email, by using the link, you can cancel, you can manage your subscription. This is the first thing. Or what you can do, you can visit on their official website. At the very bottom side there is a button like manage subscription option at the footer option, at the footer area. So you can choose manage subscription button, and once you select manage subscription button it will pop up a new window. On the new window you need to log in into your account by providing your credentials. You need to log in into your account, and once you logged in you can cancel your subscription. This is the only way by which you can cancel your subscription. There is no other way, and there is you can like very difficult thing to cancel your subscription. Okay, so if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.